NCBA, we are a big brand, and we want to show golfers that we are out there to ensure that we interact with our customers. As you know, we are going to be having 15 tournaments across the country. We have that's amateur tournaments, we have 3 junior tournaments, and the grand finale will be at NCBA Golf Club, with the winner, the 4 best, going to South Africa. Juniors are the future of tomorrow, and juniors, we have taken juniors as the next golfers of tomorrow. Similar, we want also to encourage them to play more golf. It gives them a lot of discipline, they put in a lot of work into it, and it will show up when they become grown-ups. For us as a brand, it's also to walk that journey with them, and for us, they're also our future customers.
My name is SK Mwaura. I'm a member of Kenya Railway Golf Club. I have played golf for the last 26 years. I'm playing off handicap 8. This event, sponsored by NCBA, was an unmissable event. So I came and played. I had 7 pars, 3 birdies, and a few bogeys, and ended up winning Division 1. And I'm glad I emerged a winner, and I hope to travel to Vancouver, South Africa.